Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy stock using Yahoo Finance or at least track and prepare before buying. So let's get started. First, open the Yahoo Finance app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your Yahoo account. Next, use the search bar at the top to type the company name or ticker symbol of the stock that you are interested in. Click on the stock to see all the details. Here you can see the current price, chats, news and key. This helps you to research before buying. Yahoo Finance itself does not let you buy stock directly, but on the stock, you may see an option to open an account with a supported brokerage like Robinhood, eTrade or Liquidity. Even without buying directly, you can just add the stock to your watch list by staying alert for the price changes and tracking its performance before purchasing on your brokerage. To add, look for the bell icon at the top right, then tap on it. Here you can add the stock to your watch list, which allow you to set price alerts if needed. Then tap create and that's it. In order to see all your track stock, you can just go to the watch list section in the app. Here you can monitor the real-time prices, news and performance of all your selected stocks, and that's it. This is how you can successfully buy a stock through Yahoo Finance brokerage link. Remember to always research your stock and invest wisely. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.